Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because in this video I'm going to show you my 5 favorite products, 5 products that you should know and you should have. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to introduce to you is Take the Day Off from Clinique. So basically, this is a makeup remover in a formula of a balm, which I really love. You just have to massage your skin. You can use for eyes, for the face, everywhere. And it's going to take off the makeup very gently. So it's for every skin and it's like a balm like that. Now, this product is a little bit pricey, but I've been having this one. You see, it's almost done. I've been having it for the last 8 months. And I put makeup every day, so I basically use it every day. But you just have to put a little bit and it's going to remove everything. So I think this is really good price. I mean, for 8 months, you know, so now I'm going to buy it again. I also wanted to show you that it also exists in this formula. So this is like a lotion, but I'm not a huge fan of this formula because you have to use pads and it's less effective than the balm. The second product that I'm going to show you guys is the Deep Cleanse from Tatcha. So basically what is this? It's a cleanser. So you're gonna use it to cleanse your skin after you take the makeup off. So it goes perfectly after this. That's what I use this one. And it's very gentle as well. It's perfect for every skin. It's made of little grain and that's going to exfoliate your skin, but you can use it every day. It's very gently. So I have no problem to use that every day. And for those who don't know Tatcha is a Japanese brand that makes excellent skincare. So if you don't know this brand, I highly recommend you to order some of their products and give it a go because this is like my favorite skincare brand. So this product is also a little bit pricey, but this one I've been having it since Christmas. So it's been 5 months. So you only have to buy this product twice a year, you know? So I think it's really good value as well. And like the Clinique balm, you only put a little bit and it's gonna be enough. So very good product, you need to have it. The next product that we are going to talk about is the Jet Lag Mask from Summer Friday. So this product is a mask that I apply after every flight because my skin gets very dry during the flight, and I put that straight away when I arrive at the destination. I take everything off, I clean my skin and I put that on and I leave it, and it's just so good. Like, it's gonna make your skin feel fresh and alive, and it's gonna take all the stress off. So it's just amazing. For those who don't fly, you can also use it when your skin gets very dry. You can use it, leave it 10 minutes and it's gonna feel alive again. It's amazing. This is the second one that I buy, and same, you don't use it all the time, so it's okay. It's gonna last you forever. For those who are flight attendant as well, I think you should get this product. This is just a must. This is just so good. The next product that I'm going to show you is from Crest. So you're gonna tell me, what is this? So basically this is a treatment to get white teeth. So a lot of people wonder how I got my teeth that white. It's because I've been using this. So I use this once a year, not even, like I used it this year and the last year I didn't use it, and the year before I used it. So you don't have to do it all the time. It stayed very well, and I drink coffee, tea, everything, and my teeth are always white. So how does it work? I'm going to show you. So basically when you order this box, I order it from Amazon. It will cost approximately between $30 and $50, I'm not sure. And you will get a treatment for 2 weeks. So you're gonna have some little packaging like that, and in there you have two strips. One is for the upper teeth and one is for the low teeth, and you're gonna have to leave it for half an hour on your teeth. Now, a lot of people say that this has made their teeth very sensitive, etc. For me, it doesn't. And why? Because I'm very careful with it. Before to apply it, I wash my teeth, and when I remove it, I wash my teeth again. And this is the key. This is not gonna make your teeth in any pain, and this is gonna just be fine. And honestly, after even 2 days that you're gonna use it, you're gonna see some results already. It's like incredible. Like, look at my teeth. It's very white, and it's because of this. Now, I'm not dentist. It might have some bad effects, but I've never experienced any bad effects with that, and I've been using it since years. So I highly recommend it to you. The next product that I'm going to show you is sunscreen. Yeah, so this one is from Bioderma, but any brand is fine as long as it's good for the skin. So what I recommend to you is to get a 50 SPF plus, never less. And you will have to put this every day, even when you're inside like me today. So why? Because this is gonna avoid all the wrinkles and all the old sign on your face. And you can put any cream every day on your face. This is the key. If you don't put SPF, you're gonna get all wrinkly and old before the age of 50. So you have to use sunscreen, and you have to start now if you didn't know. When I see the people at the beach who puts oil and carrot cream or whatever it's called, I'm just like, what the hell, you know? Like, SPF is so important. Like, how are they gonna look like when they'll be like 50 years old? They're gonna be all wrinkly. So no thank you, that's not what we want. So put sunscreen. There we are. This is already the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this new type of video, because this is the first one that I make. So let me know in the comments if you like and if you want some more like that. For those who didn't know the products that I show, well, I'm sure like a lot of you knew these products, but for those who didn't know, please go and try them. Thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye!